we're going to need the currency code for each country. We can do a search on Google. And make note of the 3-character code. Then, in our spreadsheet, we need to enter the country codes as pairs. That is, the country we're traveling from. Then we need a / followed by the code for the destination country. Select all of our cells and off to the data tab to choose a data type. And we're going to choose currencies. As long as we get this little icon next to each pair, it means Excel has recognized the country code and we're good to go. In order to get the current up-to-date exchange rate, we can insert additional fields from this button here, and we're going to choose price. Boom. If we right-click and look at the refresh settings, we can see that our data type will refresh every 5 minutes. And suppose we want to know how many euros we'll get for 100 British pounds. We can write a simple formula in here. This cell multiplied by this cell, boom. Let's add some more values in this column. Autofill down, boom shakala.